Damn, what the? Oh, what's up? I mean, these idiots popping these. Oh, look, we just missed it. God damn them people. I wish they'd go wait until I start recording. Sheesh. I don't know what's the matter with these people. They popping these firecrackers without me. I mean, a fireworks without me being out. You know. I'm gonna stand right here just in case they start popping it. You know. So I wasn't expecting a part two, waiting on fireworks again. You know, they was popping them just now. It was about 5 or 6. I knew I was gonna go inside and it was gonna start popping it. Damn you people! Huh. And I'm cold, and I'm supposed to be doing my damn laundry. Oh. Well, that ain't no that ain't no. Okay. Well, I guess that wasn't good enough, but it's not fireworks. It's just it just rocket firecrackers, you know, rocket whatever, you know. I'm so upset. Come on, y'all, pop them fireworks, please, please, please. Okay. All right, I'm about to go inside and grab my jacket. Okay. Where's my damn jacket at? Oh, well, I found it. I'm supposed to. And I'm so supposed to be washing this, you know. Oh, don't start without me, y'all. Oh, and I see smoke over there, so they started without me, bastards. All I could say was damn, damn, damn. All right, I have my jacket on. You know, I should have put some socks on. You know, so COVID season should be over someday. You know. Oh my God. Tapping and tapping and tapping and drippings in the drippings. Black drippage, like Miley Cyrus said on Hannah Montana. On Hannah Montana. Black drippage. All right, I'm gonna keep this in the sky, okay? All right. Well, should I keep talking to y'all or not? My other neighbor came out, you know. Okay. So all I'm doing is looking for. Oh, y'all! I finally caught that. Whatever that was, you know. I caught that. I bet they gonna do it again. Pop fireworks, please, people. I want to see fireworks on a Domino 7 show. Well, oh, thank you. Yes. Yes. Come on. All right. Oh. Yes. Again. All right. Thank you. All right. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know when they're going to do it again. I hope they do it again. I'm very satisfied. Yes, wear it. Okay. So I'm gonna continue on keeping the camera in the sky, facing it forward. You know. Mm-hmm. Yep. Da 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 da. Thank you. All right. Whoa. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Again. All right. Do it again, please. No. All right. Then here go the smoke in the sky. The smoke is in the sky. Could you meet me in the sky? The sky, the sky, the sky. Could you meet me in the sky? I like that song by Bone. That came out in 2010, you know? Bone still make some good songs, you know? But I wish the box was still on. Cause you know, they would have did, you know, Bone Thugs was the king of the box. Oh, all right. No more? All right, no more. For now. Okay. Yep. It's the first of the month. Get the check and come on. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. It's the first of the year. It's the first of the year. January 1st, 2021. Yeah, I'm still keeping it point to the sky just in case that there's any fireworks. It go playing right there. If y'all can see what I see. Do you see what I see? Da 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 da. Keeping the camera pointing at the sky, you know. Do you see what I see? And for the Christmas balls. Well, da 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 da. Do you see what I see? I'm gonna keep it pointing at the sky, you know, because they're gonna probably pop fireworks again, you know. I'm glad it's all caught on the Domino 7 show, ladies and gentlemen, you know. Okay. All right. I should point that at the sky, just in case something be in the sky again. Back to the sky. All right. Do you see what I see? Yep. I must tell y'all. I bet them people gonna do it again. What was that? Oh, you see that? Oh. All right. I knew they was gonna do it again. What was that? Long as they don't have fireworks on the ground, you know. Fireworks could be fun and dangerous, you know. But it'd be beautiful in the sky, you know. Beautiful in the sky. I wish Kirsten K was watching this video, but I remember when I told her what I had on my show, she told me she wasn't gonna watch it. But I ain't gonna watch it then. Oh boy. Yep. Third. Oh, y'all saw that? I know y'all saw that. I just seen it, you know. Long as this video is recording, you know, all live. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Keep it coming. Yes. All right. All right. All right. Go. Yeah. Oh, it's coming from both ways. It's coming from both ways. You see that? I can't catch it all at once. I should have got my other camera, you know. Yes, indeed. I think I need to. Dominique Peters. I wish she was watching this. You know. Yep. I know y'all saw that. I just put the camera on that. You know. Oh. Oh, almost. I know y'all saw that. Light the sky. You know. It's dark. Woo. Well, this is not Halloween. Halloween's over until 2021. 2021. We already in 2021. Today is January the 1st, 2021. You know? Mm-hmm. And it's my cousin Trina's birthday. Happy birthday, Trina. I already wished her a happy birthday on the phone and in the voicemail, you know? Mm-hmm. Some people don't have no house phones because some people say it don't make no sense. And I'm old school. Old school. Da 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 da. Da. Well, I need my Cox cable so I can watch NBC and TNT, my Nickelodeon, yep, current Nickelodeon, current CBS, NBC. You gotta love NBC, you know. You gotta love ABC as well, you know, especially the local news, you know. All right, keeping my camera focused on the sky, you know. Well, who else gonna pop fireworks? If it's giving me a headache, I need to start getting me some aspirins, aspirin. Well, Elmer Fudd talk. Erica, my friend Erica Pounds, be like, why am I talking like a babe? I ain't talking like a babe. I'm talking like Elmer Fudd. Erica is crazy, you know. Well, I better stop talking about Erica before she come over here and whip my booty. Long as she ain't tired of me saying that word. keeping it a point to the sky, you know, just in case these folks pop some fireworks, you know. There was big fireworks before I started recording. That's why I came back, you know. That's definitely why I came back, and I'm upstairs uploading videos, you know. Yep. So you know what, y'all? I'm supposed to be keeping it pointed to the sky, you know, cause they gonna probably pop some fireworks again, you know. I hope they do that. Well, who else gonna pop fireworks? Okay. Do you see what I see? A clear black sky. I wish y'all could see the stars though, you know. So yeah, I don't know if y'all heard that, but I heard that, you know. Yep. So okay. Oh, what that is? Well, that's not even fireworks. Shame on them for that. Wait, I heard something. So, but I ain't see none. So I'm pointing at the sky just in case. They What was that? Well, where's that coming from? Let me. I'm gonna just step over here. Oh, ouch! Damn it! These bushes, you know. So maybe at least I could do my job from my house though. At least I can do my job from my house, you know. Whoa. All right, just in case them fools popping them fireworks, you know. I don't even think Shamika deal with firecrackers. Well, all right. Any more? No more? Hmm. Well. Stand out here. Well, I just missed that, but it wasn't fireworks. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can hit. All right. I haven't heard that, and I don't know. What was that? Was that fireworks again? Oh well. I guess I probably ain't gonna see no more tonight. I'll probably go inside and play my Sega. Well, that came from somewhere else. I don't know if y'all heard that. You know, Brock couldn't stand firecrackers or gunshots. You know. Okay. So, hey, I forgot to tell my cousin named Trell that Bria is related to Trinice. I forgot to tell her that. You know. Well, I'm sure Natrell is watching this. I'll probably tell her that in person. You know. I don't know when I'll tell her that though. You know. I'll probably tell her that in person. She probably watching this show right now. You know. Oh. Y'all seen Natrell on my show before. Of course y'all did. Y'all also seen on my show before Naomi was born. You know. Way before Naomi was born. I think she debuted on my show. I think in 2012 when I came back to New Orleans. You know. All right. All right. All right. Oh. But that ain't fireworks. Baby fireworks right there. Baby fireworks right there. You know. Cause you know, they say the sky explodes. You know. All right. So planning your New Year's celebration with fireworks. You know, long as you be careful using them. You know, when you're careful using them, you're straight. You know. All right. So whatever else is not new or new or whatever. You know. Uh huh. Well, looking at. I don't know where that noise coming from, man. Y'all, I don't think y'all heard that. You know, it was sizzling. You know, shh, like a snake, I guess. Snakes don't sizzle. A baby firework right there. But I hope that that's caught on camera though. I'll watch it a little later. Well, okay. Oh, and my foot is hurting me right now. You know. Well, looking in a nice sky for some fireworks. Well, fireworks could be in a day sky too. Mm-hmm. Yep. When you play Mario 3, there's some fireworks when you. What was that? Who was that anyway? They pointed at the sky instead of pointing at me. Probably coming from that other driveway. But we just missed the baby fire. I'm missing the baby fireworks as well. The adult fireworks, they ain't popping it no more. I don't even know where it's coming from. Coming from over there somewhere. Coming from. Nah, that's not a baby firework. That was a teenager firework. The big ones is adult fireworks. Mm-hmm. I'm glad I caught that. Catching the smoke in the sky, a cloud of smoke. All right. Disregard. Disregard that. Mm-hmm. Well, my friend Nicole was watching. Hey, Nicole. All right. I'm surprised my friend Sherelle ain't watching. Yep. Yep. They watching with me. Well, who else is watching the Domino 7 show? I'm just anybody that's just tuning in, live stream wise, then you're looking at me waiting for fireworks. But if you're on YouTube, then I'm waiting on fireworks. I don't know. I don't even know when it's gonna air on YouTube. Probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Whatever. I don't know. Okay. All right. I'm just staring at the sky. I'm just staring at the sky. For the fireworks. Whoever just joining in. Okay. So instead of running my mouth about things, I remember the doctor I had looked like Warren Bell. Mm-hmm. Yep. So yeah, I'm just looking at the sky, looking for fireworks. I hope these fools pop fireworks already. Jeez. Mm-hmm. Yep. So done the Facebook Live at a wrestling match and stuff like that. Done a YouTube Live at a wrestling match. My mama didn't know I was into wrestling, but but I'm not a wrestling fan. But I love wrestling. I would love to interview wrestling fans. Uh-huh. So anybody that's a wrestling fan, I would like to interview you. And I'm telling you, wrestling is real. It's real. I'm telling you. Mm-hmm. Because if wrestling was fake, it wouldn't be on TV. But they can't put none on TV if it's fake. Let me go over here. Oh, let me see. Come over here. I'll probably see it better to whom popping it over there. Well. All right. All right. Well, never mind that. That ain't no excitement as far as that. They pop some real. Uh, well, if they pop some real fireworks instead of baby fireworks, well, while I'm walking, I'm just gonna instead of popping some baby fireworks, you know. Well, well, well. I guess I had enough action than a little bit, you know. All right, so I guess that's enough action. Watching a rainy day video, a rainy night video, I should say. Yep, everybody loves a rainy night when they go to sleep, though. You know. All right, so enough of the charade and crap like that, you know. Okay, so what else is next? Nothing else. All right, I guess that's enough action. Okay, thank y'all for watching. Okay, had enough action for one night. They'll probably pop fireworks tomorrow. Wait, let's see something. I just missed that. Just when I was gonna end my just when I was gonna end it. Just when I was gonna end something, they doing it. It probably I was inside getting some more. Probably. Huh. I remember we almost moved in Columbia Park. You know, we almost moved in Columbia Park, but it was delayed. You know, seemed like if I wouldn't, yeah, I don't know if y'all saw that or what. It seemed like if I would have moved to Columbia Park sooner, me and Tanya would have never known each other. You know. So yeah, Hurricane Katrina was a blessing and a curse. You know, it was a curse, a blessing. You know it. Well, a blessing in disguise because look what happened. Going through all that struggling and stuff like that. Well, like Mr. Crabtree said, Crabtree, Crabtree, Guatwee, Guasquee, whatever. There are two ways you can go. You can move up or down. You know? All right. Damn, I missed that. You know? It looked like a baby firework right there. You know? All right. So, it's a plane up there. Just when I was going in this vlog, you know, somebody was popping fireworks, you know. I wonder if my people popping fireworks. I wonder. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Watch when I go inside, they gonna start popping. But guess what? This time I had enough action for one night. Okay. All right, I'm about to go play my video game. Okay. All right. Pop y'all fireworks all y'all want. Okay. Good night and God bless y'all.